हम चले जाना चाहेंगे और ये साथ हो जाएगा। तो वो टाइम इवोल्यूशन के साथ भी ये भी इम्प्रूव करेगा, ये फ्यूचर ट्रैवल के लिए।
further sends it to the Arduino board, and Arduino board works accordingly. So whenever it gets any object in the range of set distance, the buzzer beeps.
So this range can be set.
Yes, sir. It can be decreased and increased by changing the code. This bulb is added for a special purpose. Works as an indicator for other people so that they could know that a blind person is trouble and help them out. What are its key features? So the first key feature is what is made in low cost. By avoiding expensive hardware, this is an ideal product for blind people. The use of ultrasonic sensor and Arduino makes it affordable as compared to other new technologies. Second, it is user friendly. It is very simple to use. Once the circuit is on, the blind person can use it throughout the day. It has a suitable weight too. Third, real-time obstacle detection. The ultrasonic sensor constantly spreads ultrasonic waves and checks for the object in front of the user, hence helping in a smooth navigation. This device helps blind people majorly in two ways. First, obstacle avoidance, but by providing early warning signals. Suppose there is a chair in front of the user, so the buzzer will be previously, and the user will get alert ahead of time. Second is that it will increase the independence of the blind, because they don't need to rely on anything else, just guide dogs. Once the circuit is on, they can use it throughout the day. Sir, I strongly believe that this type of innovation will enhance the independence of blind people and make their life more convenient. Thank you.
this? Yes. Explain it.
First I would like to encourage you to take a deep breath feel the breath moving upwards and outwards. That's the respiratory system at work. Now as we inhale, we can feel our lungs moving upwards and outwards. This increases the space in our breath cavity so that our lungs get filled with air. During exhalation, the opposite happens. Our lips move downwards and inwards, reducing the space in our chest cavity. So this pushes the air out of our lungs. Now you might be thinking why our lungs expand at all. The answer is here. There are thousands of balloon-like structures inside our lungs called alveoli. The work of these alveoli is to collect oxygen-rich air. And supply oxygen to our blood. So this is what happens in our respiratory system. But what about healthy respiration and how to ensure it's First, we should maximum and always try to avoid to be in the area where someone is smoking. Secondly, we can eat certain foods like apple, turmeric, ginger, cabbage, broccoli, and other leafy vegetables. These are not only rich in fibers, but can also provide us protein, which creates more alveoli in our lungs. In conclusion, our project on respiratory system has inspired us to take better care of our respiratory health and to appreciate the incredible machinery that keeps us alive.
So how it work? Can you show that how they can work?
When we inhale, our lungs expand. When we inhale, our lungs expand. And when we exhale, it shrinks.
Yes. Again.
With our earth, when light energy of sun falls into it, it also creates a heat energy. When in night there is no sun, the heat energy tries to raise up. But it can't because carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, methane and water vapor are a few gases which make up a protective layer that traps the gases which is radiated from our earth's surface and which makes a suitable environment for our living to live. Actually, plant trees, like vegetable trees, fruit trees inside. As the plant is due to moderate temperature, the trees start to grow. When people see it from far away, this is green color. As this is green, the trees are green in color. So this is known as a greenhouse.
How big can you make it? How big?
We make it with wood and glass.
Wood and glass.
Yes. Those who can't afford, they make it with polythene.
So glass is not available, it will be costly.
Introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Sadhna Devda and I am present here with our model multi-purpose lab. What is a multi-purpose lab? A multidisciplinary project. It hydroarchitecture project that combines multiple fractions. The dam detectors the river to store water for irrigation, hydroelectric power generation and flood control. The dam will serve more than one purpose, so it is called multi-purpose dam. Raku Dam project is a multi-purpose scheme that includes dams, reservoir and power generation facilities. It is located in 10 km north at Sambalpur. It is the longest major earthen dam in the world. It measuring 25.8 km, including dikes. It stands across the Mahanadi. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who inaugurated the dam on January 14, 1957. Its height is 60.96 km. Its length is 25.79 km. It has 64 slices. It power generation. The dam generates hydroelectric power which contributes to the region's energy needs. Water supply. It supplies water to the upper part of the drainage system after the drought. Ecosystem. The dam supporting tree-bean ecosystem providing habitat for diverse flora and fauna. Tourist attraction. It is the major attraction of tourists for its impressive scale and scenic beauty. It is provide visiting facilities. Thank you.
Can be calculated using various formulas. For example, this one right over here is the formula to calculate the sum of n terms of an AP. And these three are the formulas to calculate the sum of n terms of G as per the value of R. These formulas are particularly useful to find sums quickly, which are useful in real life. For example, in the finance field to calculate interest, to analyze growth patterns. Sequencing series is not just theoretical. It is practical tools in various fields. For example, the Fibonacci sequence appears in the nature. The sequencing series is also useful in physics to model phenomena like waves. Even in computer science, algorithms often rely on sequence. That's all for my topic. Thank you for listening, sir.
Introduce yourself.
वेलकम टू स्मार्ट एग्रीकल्चर प्रोजेक्ट। आई सारांश स्मार्ट एग्रीकल्चर मतलब इसका हमारा बेनिफिट क्या है, जैसे हमारा कम फार्मर और बिना फार्मर के जैसे यूज हो। जैसे हम ये एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड है, यहाँ पे हम एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ से सर जैसे वहाँ तो ट्रैक्टर कोई अंदर आने से कोशिश करेगा, सेंसर बचा कोई अंदर आ नहीं पाएगा, नहीं करंट लेगा, करंट लेने से जानवर का डेथ हो सकता है, तो सेंसर देगा सर। तो इसके ऊपर कोशिश करेगा तो ऑटोमेटिक घूमने लग जाएगा सर। ये ग्रीन लाइट है, मतलब लाइट हम देंगे जब भी रात को टाइम अंधेरा रहता है ग्रीन लाइट जलेगा, कोई लाइट जलेगा तो ये लोग इसमें चिपकते हैं, लाइट में चिपकेंगे ताकि हमारा खेत खराब ना हो। सर ये रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग है, बारिश जैसे होता है हम उसका पानी बचा के रख रहे हैं ताकि फील्ड में जैसे हम एक वाटर लेवल सेट किए हैं, उससे बिलो जाने से ऑटोमेटिक वो वाटर पंप ऑन होगा और इसमें पानी डाउनलोड करेगा, जितना उसको चाहिए उसको ऑटोमेटिक बंद कर देगा थ्रू सोलर। और सर ग्रीन हाउस है, जैसे ज़्यादा धूप या ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ तो पंखा ऑटोमेटिक घूमना स्टार्ट कर दिया सेंसर को, जैसे हमारा ये सब अच्छे से हो पाए। सर ये सीड प्रोटेक्शन पेपर ऐसे हमारा पैडी होने के बाद हम इसको सुखाते हैं, तो जैसे बारिश हो जाएंगे तो हम एक बार में उनको कवर कर नहीं पाते हैं, तो अगर बारिश थोड़ा हुआ टेंटर में पानी गिरे तो ऑटोमेटिक गिर के कवर जाएगा, इससे हमारा फार्मर का बेनिफिट है, ज़्यादा खा पाएगा और खराब नहीं हो, ज़्यादा रेट में बेचेगा, ज़्यादा आदमी खा पाएंगे उसको। ये एनिमल हाउस है सर, जैसे इसका ग्रास निकला तो हम इसमें देंगे तो एनिमल खाएंगे, इनका जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट निकला सर गोबर गोमूत्र ये सब हम इसमें देंगे, उगा सकते हैं। जैसे हमारा फर्टिलाइजर ये सब बचे हैं, जैसे हमारा ह्यूमन बीइंग का भी हेल्थ अच्छा रह सकता है। और सर सोयल है, यहाँ पे एकदम ग्रीन वेजिटेबल ये सब उगाते हैं, तो जैसे इसका हमें टेस्टिंग करना है इसमें क्या डालने से हमारा और अच्छा होगा, इसीलिए सर ये लगा है जिसमें हम डाल देंगे सोयल वाले बोलते हैं इसमें चीज़ का कमी हम देने से ऑटोमेटिक ये होगा। और हम इसमें इलेक्ट्रिक यूज कर रहे हैं ताकि इलेक्ट्रिक यूज करने से रोज रेट लग जाएगा, और सोलर देने से कम मतलब बिजली या बिल और लाइन भी अगर जाने की ऑटोमेटिक काम कर पाएगा सर। और अभी योजना जिसमें आपको 40% आउटपुट भी दे रहा है, मतलब इन लोगों को सब्सिडी दे रहा है सोलर वाले को। थैंक यू सर।